The drain from the trap of the fixtures to the junction of the drain with any other drain pipe. Answer. Fixtures drain. The supply pipe between the fixtures and the water distributing pipe. Answer. Fixtures branch. A piece of sheet metal fitted under another piece of the flat metal or wood over which water is expected to run. Answer. Flushing. The level in the fixtures at which water begins to overflow the top or rim of the fixtures. Answer. Flood level. One fixtures unit is equivalent to the flow rate of 1 cubic foot of water per minute or 7 half or 71 per 2 gallon of water per minute. Answer. Fixtures unit. A bulb. Used for the flushing of fixtures by using water directly from the water supply pipes or in connection with special flash tank. Answer. Flash bulb. A bulb in which the flow of water is cut off by means of circular disc, fitting again machined smooth pieces at the right angles to the direction of flow. The disc is raised or lowered by means of threaded stem connected to the handle of the bulb. The opening in the bulb is usually as large as the full bore of the pipe. Answer. Gate bulb. The area included within surrounding walls of a building or portion thereof, exclusive or vent shop and courts. Answer. Floor area. The plane of movement of the disc is parallel to the normal direction of the flow of water, which is turned through the tortuous passage to direct the flow normal to the face of the disc. Answer. Globe bulb. A return bend or the small size pipe, one end of which is about 1 foot long and the other end is about 3 inches long. It is commonly used as faucet for the pantry sink, also the lead connection between the service pipe and a water main. Answer. Go snake. A bulb in which the flow of water is cut off by means of circular disc that fits against the bulb seat. Answer. Globe bulb. The water that is standing in or passing through the ground. Answer. Groundwater. The slope or fall of the line of the pipe in reference to horizontal plane, usually expressed in the percent. Answer. Grade. The vertical distance from the grade line to the highest point of the capping of the flat roof or to the decline of the mansard roof or to the average height of the highest gable of the pitch or hip roof. Answer. Height of a building. A branch bend that performs its function for 2 or more traps. Answer. Group bend. A branch. A branch drain extending laterally from the soil or waste stock, with or without vertical section or branches, that receive the discharge from one or more fixtures drains and conducts it to the soil or waste stock or to the building drain. Answer. Horizontal branch. A house storm sewer is the pipeline from the building to the public storm sewer system. Answer. House storm sewer. A waste pipe that does not connect directly with the building drainage system but discharges into its through a properly trapped fixtures or receptacle. Answer. Indirect waste pipe. Part of the lowest horizontal piping of the plumbing system, which receive the discharge from soil, waste, and other drainage pipes inside of the building conveys it to the house sewer. A liquid waste resulting from the process employed in industrial establishment and are free from fecal matter. Answer. Industrial waste. The lowest portion of the inside of any pipe conduit that it's not vertical. Answer. Invert. In plumbing, a secondary pipeline in a barrage, a common sewer to which no other common sewer is tributary, receives sewage only from the building sewers. Answer. Lateral. A receptacle designed and constructed to intercept or separate and prevent the passage of oil, grease, sand, or other materials into the drainage system to which it is directly or indirectly connected. Answer. Interceptor. A fixture designed for the washing of the hand or face, sometimes called a wash basin. Answer. Lavatory. A cesspool that it's not watertight. Answer. Leaching cesspool. A water closet consisting of continuous through containing water that through extend under two or more adjacent seats, prohibited by most authority for permanent installations. Answer. Latrine. A pipe or shaft serving to convey foul air from the plumbing fixtures or a room to the outer air. Answer. Local vent. A continuation of horizontal soil or waste pipe beyond the connection at which liquid waste from the fixtures or fixtures enter the waste or soil pipe. Answer. Loop or circuit vent. The length as measured along. Answer. Length of pipe. The base of the vertical portion of the vent may be connected to the horizontal portion of the soil or waste stock between fixtures connected thereto. Answer. Loop or circuit vent. The main of any system of continuous piping is the principal artery of the system, to which branches may be connected. Answer. Main.